About this item structure upgrade, Masuter Pro is an all-aluminum CNC router machine, which makes the machine sturdier than the last version. The Z-axis uses linear rail instead of rods and T8 lead screw. This greatly improves the stability and accuracy. Upgraded controller box, the control board is upgraded to a compact controller box. The emergency stop button and home button are more easily and more convenient to access. The control box is also dust-proof for easy maintenance. Compatibility upgrade, Masuter Pro includes two spindle clamps, 52mm and 65mm. The 52mm clamp can accommodate the 60W spindle, 300W spindle, and the FoxAlien 20W/40W modules. The 65mm clamp is for customized upgrade, such as 65mm router, 1.5 kW spindle, etc. It also supports the 69mm spindle clamp. Please buy separately. Assembly upgrade, main parts are pre-assembled, and the part of the wires are pre-wired to the controller box. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes to fully assemble. Large engraving area, the active working area is 15.75 x 15.75 x 2.36, 400 x 400